Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today we are doing a quick core yoga workout. So this is a great flow to pair with another exercise routine, perhaps after a walk, or you can combine this flow and do it multiple times. For yoga videos that you can practice at home, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the bell button to be notified when I post free videos every Wednesday. Grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Go ahead and find extended child's pose here. Knees as wide as your yoga mat, big toes to touch. And walk your hands out in front of you, forehead kisses the mat. Take deep breaths here. On your next inhale, go ahead and begin to pull yourself to a tabletop pose. Wrists underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. Tops of the feet press down into your yoga mat. And we lift the knees and let them hover. Lighting up a little core work here. Curl your toes underneath, keep those knees hovering. You can do it. And tops of the feet go back down, keep those knees hovering. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees down. Find your foundation here first, and then curl the toes back, step back to a high plank. Heels reach back, press down through all 10 fingerprints. And then we're going to find some shoulder taps here. So you're going to take your left hand to your right shoulder, right hand to left shoulder. And you'll move back and forth here, touching hand to opposite shoulder and trying not to move the hips. I know it's hard. Keep going. Drop the knees down and find extended child's pose. Now take a deep breath in, pull yourself back to your tabletop pose, and then send it on back to your high plank. Find your foundation here first, feel strong, and then we'll take mountain climbers. So bringing one knee into center, extending it back, and then the other. So move back and forth here in mountain climbers. Really drawing that knee up towards center, up towards the chest. Go ahead and drop the knees down. Find your traditional child's pose here. Knees together, wrists come behind you, touching the ankles. Bring the hands up, pull yourself back to your tabletop pose. And then let's go again. Find your high plank. Ignite your core here, and we'll find some toe taps. So taking one toe off to the side, back to center, and keep moving back and forth here. So again, have a nice strong core, press away from your mat. Toes go off to the side and then back to center. Keep going. Feel strong. Drop the knees down and find child's pose, your choice, extended or your traditional. We have one last little move here, so go ahead and pull yourself back to that tabletop pose. And step back to your high plank. Feel strong, feel powerful here. And then we'll find hip dips. So you're going to take your left hip down to the mat, back to center, right hip down to the mat, back to center. Keep moving back and forth here. We are targeting the obliques with this move. So actively try to get that hip down towards the mat. Reset if you have to. And keep going. Go ahead and drop the knees down. Find one last child's pose here. Yogi's choice to take extended child's pose or balasana. And then you're going to pull yourself up. We'll find some countering wrist relief here. Draw your knees together, sit in the middle of your mat in hero pose. And go ahead and just take some neck circles here. So maybe moving one way and then the other. Even out the breath. And let's find some wrist relief. Extend one arm out, pressing the top of the hand down with your other hand. Go ahead and switch, countering all those planks. And then take a moment here to find stillness. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow yogis. Bring your hands together. Find a moment of gratitude for committing to yourself, your practice today. And we bow down and say, Namaste. I will see you yogis next Wednesday.